Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the new changes that Microsoft is rolling out with Build 22635.4010 in the beta channel. This preview is rolling out as part of the Windows 11 version 23H2 development, and it is not clear when these changes will arrive in the stable channel. Okay, let's dive into the new changes available as part of this new Windows Insider preview. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Starting with this release, the company is enabling back the option to show the shorter version for date and time. And that's actually available on the Settings app. More specifically, if we go to Time and Language and on the Date and Time page, we're going to see that now we have the Show Time and Date and System Tray as an expandable setting. And in here, that's where you're going to find the option to show the time and date, but in a shorter format, as you can see at the bottom right here. And this setting also now includes the option to enable and disable seconds also on the system tray, as you can see right here. This option was previously available through the Taskbar settings page. And as always, you can toggle this option off to stop showing the time and date on the system tray. A few releases back, the company updated the behavior for the taskbar to open the jump list for apps that are not open, as you can see right here. And if we hover over the settings app, which is open, we only get the preview. Although this can make it easier to access different options for an app that is not running, it can also add some distraction when hovering over by mistake on an app and having the menu open when that wasn't your intention. So instead of removing this feature, what Microsoft is doing is adding an option on the taskbar settings page which allows you to enable or disable this particular feature, which is this one right here. So now if you hover over an app that is not running on the system, you're not gonna get the menu. And if you want to enable that feature, you can turn that option on. And then when you hover over apps, you're going to see the menu. And finally, on the start menu, more specifically on the all apps section, the company has been making some progress on the feature that allows you to change the view for the listing of the apps. And the most interesting is the category option that allows you to view the apps in categories. But this is still a work in progress. You can click an app and that will actually launch the app. However, this is still a work in progress. As you can see, the icons, they don't display correctly. And also, like if you click right here, this apparently is going to be like a sub menu or something like a folder, but you can't click or access any of that. And if we change the view to grid, this is how that view appears right now in this particular preview of Windows 11. And you can also switch back to alphabetical, which is the default or the legacy view. Aside from this preview on the beta channel, Microsoft is also rolling out the Windows 11 Build 26120.1350 in the dev channel. But that preview doesn't include anything worth mentioning other than fixes and a new option in the nearby share interface to share files directly into your Android phone, which is a feature that Microsoft already made available in other channels. And that's it. Those are the biggest changes that you're going to find on Windows 11 Build 22635.4010. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.